Yep, it's getting ready to kick off, but before hurricane season starts, let's talk about severe weather across Texas, all the way on down to Laredo and Webb County, and you can see right on through west of Austin, north of Kerrville, and then east of Dallas, some more thunderstorms. All this a part of this storm system that's getting ready to drop down across the state, and yep, pass through the valley tomorrow. Here you can see some of the thunderstorms right there. Futurecast is predicting that all of this will continue to slide to the east and this will drop to the south. Notice the valley not a part of it tonight. Our atmosphere is tapped. Last night's activity was so widespread, so deep, and so cleansing, if you will, that it's basically wrung all the moisture out of the atmosphere, the usable moisture and energy. So we're kind of left with a stable environment. But tomorrow's another day. Take a look, and by 6 a.m. this front's going to be knocking on South Texas door in the hill country and eventually on down into the valley. I'll show you that with Futurecast coming up. Now, for tonight, the bullseye for severe weather remains well north of us, from San Antonio on toward Dallas. Here in the orange area, that's the real bullseye, but the yellow is still a pretty high probability of severe weather erupting. And then you go down to the valley, and it's just basically forsakes the general thunderstorm category, but I'm not going there. I'm saying our atmosphere is too stable for anything tonight. It'll be tomorrow when we see something with the front passing through. So tonight, 74, partly cloudy, a little bit gusty out there. Southeast winds 15 to 25, gusting to 35. Heading out the door tomorrow morning, not like this morning, that's for sure. It'll be partly cloudy and nice 74 to 78 degrees. But that front will be knocking on the door that you just passed through. And it will be generating or kicking up a chance for showers and thunderstorms by midday. There you go. Now, our daytime high will probably fall in between here at 92, 94. So 88 by 3 o'clock's not too bad. And the wind's shifting to out of the northeast. Some thunderstorms possible with this front. Pockets of heavy rain possible with any thunderstorms. Isolated street flooding is always possible with any heavy rain. And of course, lightning, we know that. I mean, last night was one Edison show, wasn't it? I mean, electricity all over the place, and strong gusty winds, a thing to watch out for. Now, the thunderstorm threat, pretty puny out west, but for the upper valley, so-so. But then you get to the lower valley and coast, an improved opportunity for some thunderstorms as that front sags to the south. Here it is after all of my talk. I'll show you with Futurecast how it comes on down. There are different forecast solutions. Some have it coming early, like 11 to noon. Some have it coming later, like mine, anywhere from 3 to 5 and then 7 o'clock. But you can see the opportunity for a few thunderstorms, in particular mid to lower valley, and then it passes through. So by Wednesday night, hey, we got a wind shift and lower humidity and everything's great. Now, even the Storm Prediction Center is admitting that, yeah, this front doesn't have a lot to work with. You remember I just showed you the severe weather threat up north tonight? Well, look at us tomorrow. Just the general thunderstorm category. That's it. That's all we rate. So our atmosphere is, again, tapped. A few sprinkles out west possible where we could see ½ an inch of rain along the lower valley and the coast. Heavy monthly rainfall, heavy rainfall last night. Look what it did for us. Hot dog. Look at our totals. It was 0 a couple days ago. Now we're looking at 4½ inches. Upper Valley, more than 3 inches for the month so far. Gotta love it. 7-day forecast shows we'll be in for a dry spell heading into the weekend.